Well, hello out there in YouTube land. Well, as you can see from the title, I'm going to show you a little more about the EBNS and how it all works and everything. So the vents are really cool, so stick around, we'll get right to it. This is Surviving 2 coming to you with another video. Well, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. Yeah, the vents on this bed net system are really cool. I mean, I like them a lot. I haven't had any issues with them, and I'll show you why I like them so much. So stick around here a few seconds and I'll show you. All right, here's the EBNS. I got it all set up out back here, and I'll show you. Let's go over to this side. I'm going to show you this vent first, which this vent right here, get a hold of it better. This vent right here is closed, and there's the main one at the top. I'm showing it open so you can see how it looks. There's a stay in it. Then I got the vent over here, which I got part way open and the stay hanging out. And I'll show you just how easy. If I can keep the camera, do a juggling act here and do this at the same time. There, that's close enough. That's how it is. That's how it opens up. And now you're saying to yourself probably, well, what keeps the rain from going in to this thing? And that's a good question. And they thought of something that works out really well. I'm gonna go ahead and open the tin up here, and I'll show you. Now let's look right here, and that's the vent from the inside. You see a yellow tag there. Let's see if I can get, if I can do all three at the same time. That yellow tag right there, if I grab a hold of it and start pulling down, it's Velcro, and it opens the vent up to where you can get air in here, and it's got the screen on it. And I've got the one up here, the main one too. It opens up also. All three of them do the same thing. There, it's opened up pretty far, so that lets air in. And if it starts raining, then all I do is just partially close it up a little bit, kind of like that, and that keeps the rain on the outside and still lets some air movement through here. So that's a pretty slick idea, I think, on how they did this. Works out really well. So as you can see, it's a pretty good vent. This one at the top especially, because you got that one over there that's still closed, and it opens just that simply. And then you can close them off or do whatever you need to from the inside, whether you've got the bed net in here or not. So, all right, that's it on this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Until then, y'all take care. Later.
I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.